In this video, we will learn how to show desktop icons on Windows 10. So let's begin. So whenever you have fresh install of Windows 10 and on the desktop you might not see the icons including my computer or this computer, and that's really annoying. And if you want to add those icons on your desktop, so the process is really simple. This works on Windows 8 as well as Windows 7. So basically this is Windows 10 and I would be going and showing you how to do that in Windows 10. So now click on right click it first, and here go to click on personalize. This would open the settings. So here we are. Now you need to click on themes. Click on this, and here in the related settings you can see desktop icon settings. So this is the updated version of Windows. In some of the versions you might need to scroll down below to get the desktop icons setting. So here click on desktop icon settings, and here you can see the all icons. So it says desktop icon. Just go and check mark the ones you want on the desktop. So I would want the computer and the control panel, and now click on apply, click on OK. Now if you close it and go on the desktop, you can see this PC is here. So hope it has helped you in showing the desktop icons on Windows 10 on desktop. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.